This part is an example of feature recognition, smart click, establishing boundaries, and turn mill. First, we will set up our stock. Choose your stock type. Pick your material to load tooling strategy so you can focus on selecting features and not editing operations. Compute the length and diameter, and we will add rough stock to the OD. Click rough turn and pick your tool. Here is a preview of what the tool and the operation strategies will look like. Here you can see some presets. First, we will include the groove, and while we are editing strategies on the fly, we can simulate to make sure the toolpath is what we are looking for. The toolpath was generated by feature recognition. All machining is based on the geometry of the tool. Now we'll come in with a finish pass, choosing Profile. EZCAM is intelligent enough to start the machining at the undercut, but we'll change that to start at the chamfer using our boundaries. 3/4 view allows us to use snapping versus typing in dimensions for our boundaries. We have new ramping options we think you are going to like. Let's change our engage angle to get a better ramp. Double-click the bore to view the diameter of the face. We'll use a 20mm drill to start. With feature recognition, EZCAM determined how deep the drill can go. Now for rough boring. The bore was machined correctly, but let's not machine the other side of the shoulder. Also, we choose Include Groove to machine the undercut on the face. We will change the edge angle of our tool to machine the undercut. I will type in 20mm so our machining will start where the diameter of the drill left off. This is an example of using dimensions versus mouse clicks. I will turn off 3/4 view to focus on our next step, turn milling. Double-click the hole to get the drill diameter. That gets copied to the clipboard for pasting. Our location is on the main spindle, face left, and the coordinate system, MCSID, is positioned on the face where we are drilling and milling. With Smart Click, EZCAM will include all the holes of the same diameter. To chamfer our holes, we're going to use a 90-degree spot drill, and the depth will be automatic based on the selected faces. Double-click the slot to get the size of your ball end mill. Change the depth to 0, and for our cycle, apply the new fillet slot. And that completes this part. I want to thank you for watching.